Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 7th of September. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts of wheat. Now, we last looked at wheat on the 27th of July and we did expect more downside pressure. That has occurred. We're really down at low levels, but we've just had a bounce in the last couple of weeks. We'll be looking at the charts to determine whether that rally is going to continue or not. Let's look at those charts. So here we have the daily, and you can see that over the last week we've had a rally on the wheat price. That came from a non-confirmation on the RSI. The low of the 29th of August, you could see that the RSI was starting to pick up. So that was a good sign from the RSI. And you've now seen that tick up towards the 50, now at 44.9. However, you can see that we're going into a lot of what I call rubbish, a lot of sideways trading that occurred earlier in the year. That there's a lot of resistance levels in there, and also, as you can see, the 200-day moving average, which is this red line, is about to roll over, and that will cause resistance as well. The 20 and 50 have already rolled, and you can actually see there was a bearish cross as the 20 crossed the 50, which was back on the 10th of August. What else can we say? The MACD as well as having that non-confirmation, the MACD did turn up, which was good, but again, it's not yet fully indicative of positive momentum as they're below zero. Moving on to the weekly, and you can see that we're bouncing into this resistance. The 50 week is just above the market at 4.20. That is moving up, so if we can get above there, that might give a push up, but the 20 week is flat lining, and here the momentum, because it's a weekly, is still showing negative, with the RSI 44.24 and the MACD short term below zero. On this chart, I mean, what you can say is that, I mean, I'll talk about it later, if we have a lot of a few weeks, a few months actually, of sideways moves, you know, between 4 and 4.3, that would then create a long-term head and shoulder. So be aware that that could be in the offing down the road, which obviously would be a negative influence. Looking at the short term, the 4 hour, and here actually we're seeing a non-confirmation on the rally. As the high that we achieved yesterday, the RSI was below what we achieved the day before, so that we're seeing a petering off on the RSI, and it could start to create a downtrend. So this could be the short-term peak. On this 4 hour, there is support coming in from the 20 and the 50 moving averages. The 20 is at 4.13 and the 50 at 4.06. The MACD are flat lining as well. So be aware of this non-confirmation and just watch out for it. Really, for the upside to continue, we need to get a blip up in the next couple of days. Looking at the support and resistance levels, we have got resistance at 4.245 from that 200 day, then at 4.322 from the 200 from the 4 hour, with support 4.063, the 50 at the 4 hour, and then at 4. Many thanks for watching the video. As I said, the rally has had a non-confirmation on the 4 hours, so be aware of that, and it's also into resistance, so there's every chance it's going to peter out. The key takeaways from the video should be this bounce into the resistance, as I said, the non-confirmation. It would look vulnerable if the supports fail, and there's this potential to create a head and shoulder on the long-term picture. Many thanks for watching the video. If you're not a subscriber to TA for Traders, please do hit the subscribe button. You then get email updates when I do new YouTube videos. I don't just cover commodities, I also cover the FX markets, indices, stock indices, and individual stocks in America and the UK. Please remember these videos are for information only and in my opinion, and they're not meant as an investment recommendation.